The build-up. Check if the seat has some space in the frame. Apply the webbing and cotton layer as shown in the previous videos. And now another way of applying foam in order to get a nice rounded edge. Again, we want 3 cm 1.2 inch thick foam. Cut out the shape of your seat, but a few centimeters smaller than the frame. Cut a bevel edge and place another layer of foam on top, which is 1 cm 0.4 inch bigger than the frame. Stick it on with the bevel side down. Cut the bevel side to the bigger piece of foam. Stick on top of the smaller piece of foam and cotton. Spray both surfaces, except the edges. Again, bevel side down. Now spray the edge of the frame and foam. This was a little bit too much. And wait. Wait a bit longer. Wait until it pulls good sticky threads. Yes, it's good to go. Ready to get sticky fingers? Do not pull or stretch the foam. Fold the foam onto the edge. If the foam at the corners doesn't fit, cut it off and stick it on like this. Cover the foam with a layer of fiberfill. As the leather is quite thick, cut off the fiberfill at the edge of the foam and frame,